Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's Let's Make stir-fry mushroom with minced meat. I believed this home dish is known by most people. Hope you like it. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. This stir-fry mushroom minced meat goes well with rice, porridge noodle, or even mantou. Stir-fry mushroom with minced meat. Ingredients: minced meat, mushrooms, chili, ginger, chopped garlic, coriander. Wash and fine chopped mushrooms. Chopped ginger. Diced chilies. Chopped coriander. Stir-fry chopped ginger until fragrant. Add chilies. Add chopped garlic. Stir-fry minced meat until turned white. One tablespoon oyster sauce. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon pepper powder. 1 teaspoon chicken powder. 1 teaspoon sugar. Add mushrooms. Add dark soy sauce to add color. Add 2 tablespoons of water. plate it. Garnish with coriander. Let's eat. My favorite way of eating this is with mantu. Give it a try too, you might also like this method. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. YouTube. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. There are 3,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah.